Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm a Kaggle master and junior data scientist. So guys, today in this particular playlist, we will actually going to start a essential machine learning bootcamp 2021. In this particular playlist, mainly I am discussing industry related topics, theory as well as practical implementation. And trust me guys, in this particular course, I will be cover all the important topics related to feature engineering, data pre-processing, as well as machine learning algorithm. So let's start our today agenda. Today is our class 0 and in this particular video, I will explain you the course detailed explanation. So our today agenda is I will explain you all the topics which will be covered in this particular course. So please make sure you watch this particular video till the end. So let's start guys. In this particular course or particular video, in this particular video, we will start with the exploratory data analysis with the real-time case study. When we learn exploratory data analysis, we have to see why is EDA important, assumptions making skills like hypothesis generation. When you are doing exploratory data analysis, first of all, we have to generate some of the hypothesis question. Okay, then we have to see the steps to remember when doing other EDA, what's actually is EDA, and then we have see the real-time case study like some of the Kaggle dataset like house price prediction and COVID dataset. Okay. Next, handling missing value, outliers detection and outliers handling. In this particular video, we have to see how to check the missing value and figure out the reason behind why the values are missing. Then we will handle this missing value using the different method like a simple imputation like a mean, mode, median, and then lead by detection. There are lots of methods available to handling the missing value like a light bias detection, lead bias detection, random imputation using like a decision tree imputation, KNN, and arbitrary based imputation, missing value indicator, multivariate imputation. There are lots of methods are available. Okay, so we will discuss all those things when we are covering the handling missing value. Okay, we will discuss this topic in the later guys. Okay. Next topic is the outliers detection and outliers treatment. When we learn outliers detection and outliers treatment, we will learn the IQR based detection, replacement of outliers based on mean, mode, median, process of discretization, capping, windowization, arbitrary value replacement, discarding the of outliers, the mean and standard deviation based outliers. I know some topics are new topics like the capping, windowization. Okay, these topics are the new because these topics are mainly focused on the industry based topic. These topics are mainly implemented in the industry, guys. Okay, so when we learn outliers detection and outliers handling, we will learn all those things like capping, windowization, process of discretization, replacement of outliers based on mean, mode, median, IQR based detection, and all. Okay. Next, removing the irrelevant features and handling cardinality. This is the part of data cleaning, guys. Like if you have some data set, okay, and in your data set some columns are the irrelevant columns, so you have to just remove those columns because these columns are not impacting your model, so you have to remove those irrelevant features, guys. Okay, after that, feature engineering and data preprocessing. When we learn of feature engineering, the three most important topics are the feature scaling, discretization, and feature encoding. When we learn of feature scaling, we have to learn normalization, mean max scaling, reverse scaling, then discretize. In a discretize, we have to learn equal with vanish, equal frequency vanning, k-means vanning, discretization by decision tree, and Kaiomarch. These all topics are the very new. These topics are mainly used in the industry, guys. Okay. Then we have to learn feature encoding technique. In encoding technique, we have to learn one-hot encoding, ordinal encoding, count frequency encoding, mean encoding, weight of evidence encoding, target encoding, rare level encoding, and feature hashing. Okay. Next, feature transformation and feature generation. When we learn a feature transformation, we have to learn log transformation, reciprocal transformation, square root transformation, exponential transformation, box-Sox transformation, exponential transformation, and there are many more topics, guys, we will cover when we discuss in the feature transformation video. Okay. Then feature generation. In the feature generation, we will cover and we will learn a meshing data derive, simple stats, crossing, ratio on products, cross product, polynomial, feature learning by tree, feature learning by deep network, and more. Okay. After that, feature selection. In the feature selection, there are four topics are important. First, filter methods. Second, Whopper method. Third, embedded methods. And fourth is the hybrid method. In the filter method, we have to learn variance filter, correlation filter, chi-square filter, mutual information filter, information value filter, and AIC value filter, as well as a p-value based filter. This p-value based filter technique is used in the regression model mainly. Okay, regression model. Then Whopper method. In the Whopper method, we have to learn forward selection, backward elimination, recursive backward elimination, exhausted feature selection, and feature selection using the boosting technique. Then embedded method. In the embedded method, we have to learn lasso regression method, random forest importance, XGBoost tree importance, and fish shuffling. Means random shuffling used by the random forest guys. Okay. Then hybrid method. In the hybrid method, we have to learn feature selection as well as a recursive feature selection and recursive feature addition in the hybrid method. Okay. So there are lots of methods are available in the feature selection method. We will discuss all those methods, and I will cover theory as well as the implementation part, guys, because implementation is very more important, guys. Okay. Then in this particular course, I also cover Kaggle exploration, like why Kaggle is important, how you have to how to write a Kaggle notebook, how to join a Kaggle live competition. Okay, I'm a Kaggle master, I'm a Kaggle notebook master, mainly guys, and presently I'm focused on the competition part. Okay, so also we will cover the Kaggle exploration, like how to write a notebook, how to join a Kaggle live competition, and how to get a much better score in the Kaggle live competition. Okay. After that, in the end, we have to cover some of the case study and some of the project, like some of the uh, Kaggle projects, Kaggle competition project, as well as we have to scratch some data from the healthcare industry or HR industry, and then we have to do end-to-end machine learning implementation. Okay, with the tailored deployment. Okay, so mainly in this Essential Machine Learning Bootcamp 2021, I will start with the exploratory data analysis with the real-time case study. After that, handling missing value and outliers detection and outliers handling. After that, removing the irrelevant features and handling cardinality. Then feature engineering. In the feature engineering, we have to learn feature scaling, discretize, and feature encoding. There are lots of encoding techniques are available. And feature engineering, handling outliers, missing value, and feature selection. These three topics, guys, very important. These three topics are the very important when you doing any data science or any machine learning projects. Okay. After feature engineering, we have to learn feature transformation and feature generation. Then feature selection. In the feature selection, we have to learn four methods: filter method, Whopper method, embedded method, and hybrid method. After that, we have to learn a Kaggle explanation, and then we have to do some of the end-to-end project like Kaggle competition project, as well as we have to scrap some of the data from any website like a healthcare industry or any industry, and then we have to do end-to-end implementation till the deployment. Till the deployment, guys. Okay. So, guys, that's all about in this particular course in this Essential Machine Learning Bootcamp 2021 course. I hope you like this particular video, and in this our Essential Machine Learning Bootcamp, guys, please do subscribe this channel, guys. I will be cover all the topics end-to-end topics with theory as well as the implementation part. Okay, so please do subscribe the channel, guys. Thank you all.